Welcome to the next lesson plan by the Ceredigion Active AYP team. Our aim with these short videos is to create a 4-part lesson. These 4 parts will be a warm-up, skill development, the main activity, and how we can differentiate the main activity. The aim of this lesson is to learn and develop the skill of catching an object. To warm up this time, ask the children to perform 30 seconds of fast feet and 30 seconds of skipping. Remember to stretch the muscles, especially those in the arms and legs. Catching an object is an important skill in many sports and games. It is vital in cricket, baseball, rounders, netball, and dodgeball. Teach the children to catch in small steps. In the beginning, the children can use both their arms and hands to gather the ball. It's okay to teach them to secure the ball in the chest area too. After confidence grows in catching, teach the children to gather the ball using only their hands. Use the skill card and video as examples to help you. Ask the children to think of their own challenges. This card is in the multi-skills resource box, which is in every school, or you can see the cards on our Ceredigion Active Teams channel. You can also scan the QR code on the card to go straight to the skill video on YouTube. Look at this activity. It's the clapping game. It's a fun way of developing catching. You can use any object to practice. A beanbag, balloon, or a ball are all good options. It is important to throw the ball straight and that the children keep their eye on the object. This way they can concentrate on the clapping. Try to challenge the children in different ways. Can they clap more often? Or how about reducing the size of the ball? You can change several things with this game. As mentioned before, we can alter the size of the ball. We can even change the shape of the ball. How about trying a rugby ball? If the children are more confident in their catching, how about trying a one-handed catch? We could also bring in a partner. Can the children clap whilst their partner throws the ball towards them? Remember to assess the children throughout the lesson to inform your planning for the next lesson. Thanks for listening.